Hello and welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe our channel. So today we are going to see the Qwen 3.5 9 billion token model, and this is the 9 billion version of Qwen 3.5. So this is unified vision language model and efficient hybrid architecture. It comes with the efficient hybrid architecture, and it is scalable RL generation model, global linguistic coverage. So it comes with the expanded support to 201 languages with dialects, enabling inclusive worldwide deployment with nuanced culture and regional understanding. Next generation training infrastructure, and this model is 9 billion parameter model, and it comes with the 4096 hidden dimensions, and embedded token is size is this, number of layers is 32, and so on. So basically we will be downloading this model on LM Studio and then try it. So this is Unsloth Qwen 3.5 9 billion GGUF file, and I will be downloading the 8-bit which is 13 GB in size. So click here and use this model with LM Studio, and now click on open. So this will open the LM Studio and start downloading the model. So model size is around 14.80 GB. So model is being downloaded here. Model is downloaded successfully on Sloth Qwen 3.5 9 billion GGUF. So load this model. And this is the prompt that I will be testing. So create a full self-contained browser OS using only HTML, CSS and vanilla JavaScript, no external frameworks. And this is the specification. So this model is loaded, and just chat hi. Now I will write this prompt to create the browser OS using the HTML, CSS and vanilla JavaScript. So it is writing the code. I will wait for the completion and come back again once it is done. My system is NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti. So I am using this GPU for inference, and you can see the inference speed. It is writing the HTML code. Code is generated successfully, and you can see this is the code, and I will be copying this code and try to run it. So this is a very big code, and copy it. So I created index.html and pasting the code here. So it's around 534 lines of code. Now I will run it in browser. So this is the OS, and you can see it's a nice background of the and explore. Notepad is this. Calculator is here, but it's not working. A nice menu here. Open the terminal. From here it is working. So terminal is opened, and then calculator. So 7 plus 8 equal to. This calculator code is not working. and let me click here. It's closing. Then settings. This is the settings window. Dark or light. Settings is working. Browser. This is the web browser. Is maximizing it. I think it's opening Wikipedia. Okay, this browser is working. Search is also working. Explorer. This is the Explorer window. So it generated the code which is working fine. Qwen 3.5 9 billion model is also very good for coding, and we have seen that it created the OS browser. Let's restart it. Click on menu here, then calculator. It is opening calculator. I can close from here. Then settings window is here. From this I can change the settings, and this is the web browser. It is by default browsing the Wikipedia. This is the calculator. Calculator is not working. So in this video we have learned how to use Qwen 3.5 9 billion model and generate OS browser in HTML and CSS. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.